Okay, here's a short video on how to replace the coin battery on your Dejavoo Pin Pad. If your date will not stay, it resets back to 2014, then you're going to need to replace the coin battery. You want to make sure that you are not anywhere near power, because power can damage this process and permanently damage your pin pad. You want to get yourself a small Phillips head screwdriver like this, and you're going to undo this little screw in the back here. So we're going to take this out, and be careful because this screw is teeny and it'll fall down and get lost. So put that right here, and then at the top there's two little clips. We kind of pinch those down, so you put your nails kind of in there and we pinch it, and then that's going to release that cover. And then right here is the coin battery. We're going to flip it forward. It kind of clicks, and we're going to flip that towards us, and then you take out the battery. So when we put it, this is a CR2032 battery. CR2032. You can find these pretty much anywhere. When we put it back in, we're going to put it with the, the plus sign, plus is facing towards us. We set it inside of here like this, and then we simply click it forward like that, and that's it. And we put the back on. There's little tabs here, make sure those go in the bottom first. This will click in, and then put your screw back in. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or trouble with that. Thank you.